Hey everyone, Martin here from Fribesco. We have today another topic, and it goes to work should not hurt. We have done some videos with other crowds and about tools. I hope you have seen that. That should be online available. Maybe check it out here. But today I show you something else, and it's more on the standing seam or snap block or whatever, tray roofing related. This clamp is called the Metal Plus clamp, standing seam clamp. It's on our website, and it's ideal to build a scaffold on a roof with one plank scaffold, to install flashings and ridges or whatever on your job. That's our snap block or standing seam clamps. If you can't imagine what that is, so it's quite simple. Here you can set up the roof pitch, obviously, just twisting that up. Depends what your roof pitch is, obviously. Could be anything, 30, 40 degrees, whatever it might be. Let's say that's your roof pitch. Scaffold plank goes in here, and you put a screw to hold it in here on the front, just a normal Tech screw. Then you can walk on your roof, or you do skylights, installing skylights. You have to cut a hole into the roof. Do a lot of work around it. Usually takes you a couple of hours. You have to kneel down on the roof and wearing your knees down, or you have to store some tools and whatnot on the roof. That's the way to go. So here you can walk on it. All those clamps are rated to a certain kilogram. I think it's over 250 kilo for each clamp. The span between this clamp and the next one, you can go up to 3 meters between them and have nothing below it. To install ridges on standing seam jobs, you can put multiple of those clamps in, and put another scaffold plank on top of it. If you're really high up, please use a harness and rope connected to an anchor point. Other than that one here is ideally, if you set it up maybe 1 meter below the ridge or 1.5 meters, you can perfectly walk along the whole ridge up and down and install your ridges, slide them in, install them nicely and safe. That saves you a lot of kneeling on hot roofs, burning your kneecaps off, especially in summer now. It is an investment, yes, but it's also a safety product what you're never going to miss. That's something you buy once in your life and you hire them out maybe, rent them to your colleagues or something, keep them in your shed, keep them nicely. So you can imagine here, you got the standing seam running around here, comes through here all the way. So you pretty much clamp it in here and lock it. To release it, you need to press here to open it up. You can set up the depths in here, so you can make it smaller, the gap, or wider, obviously. Depends what size you got, whatever you. If you have E-span, snap block, standing seam, they all have different seam thickness. So you have to make sure and do maybe a test for the first time you're setting it up, that you're clamping enough and not damaging the product below it. So to take them off in the end, when you're done, just open them up, both sides. You can even put the carabiner in here, sit on the bridge or something, lower it down to the bottom and take it off the roof. Okay, so that's really good equipment or a good example of work should not hurt. A lot of you will have bad knees after a while, or actually, yeah, just get fed up if you have to do 20 skylights a day. Here you always have a platform to work on, put your flashings on, cut something, play around with it, lift it up, move it to the next one, clamp it on again. It's quite simple, highly recommended. Okay? You find them on our website at fribesco.com. Thank you.